want to talk about adding memories. And so to add a memory, you would click on this button right here. And you'll notice there's a drag and drop files to be uploaded. Now here's where you'd add or upload your photos, your documents, or your audio files. But if you're going to create a story, here's where you'd create the story. But for this, we'll do that later. But right now we're going to go and we'll choose a file from my computer. It goes out to your computer. And I'm going to look for the baptismal record for, we'll just take John Palmer, 1788. And I'm going to upload his baptism record. So you notice as soon as I say open, it comes back and returns to the gallery. And you can see the file being opened. And so to update it and to make changes, we'll just click on it like this. And now this section here provides where I can add a title, a description. We can identify the people in it. We can add this picture to albums. We'll discuss each of these. So this is adding a title, and I'll just add a title. And I want this one to sort right at the beginning. So I'll just say this is a christening record for John Palmer. The A will cause it to sort ahead if I use that sort by title. So I'll save it. Now, if I made a mistake in the title, I could edit, go back in and click it. And I can put a description in here if I want, saying this, if it was a picture or something, you could say this picture was taken at a certain place at a certain time. Now, here's where you can put the names. Like there's a John Palmer there I want to, in this album. So I'm in the wrong place. Click here, John Palmer. You'll notice it tried to find a John Palmer, so there's no John Palmer currently in my in my memories, so I couldn't find it. So I'm going to add it here. Oh, I misspelled it. I have an E in there. Okay, so now I'm going to add that. And you'll notice here it says, okay, that's the name, but it's not attached to Family Tree yet. So if I wanted to attach it to Family Tree, I would click on this down arrow and I can attach it to Family Tree, or I can see all the memories that are attached to that person. You wouldn't see any in this case, or I can remove the tag from this memory. So we could go ahead and do that. I can add another memory. We could add another person. So maybe there's another person there, William Palmer. So I'll just type William Palmer. And they try to find one, but it's not there, we know. So I could click add. And you can add as many, or tag, it's called tagging, as many people to this document that are in there. And so we've added descriptions. We can put the event. So if it's a picture, you can put the date and place that event occurred. Okay? Or details. We can see the name of the file that was used to upload it, who did it, and I can download the original on this. This is a document because there's certain features not shown here. If it was a photo, we would be able to do other things with it. But now we're ready. Now I can go back to the gallery. And now you can see that here's a christening record for John Palmer. So that's what you'd be able to see. And I can go up here and I could click here and search for, let's just say John, and it'll find all the records that have John in my memory, then display them here. Although I don't know why it chose, oh yeah, there's John Huffman. So it picks all those pictures there. So that's how you add a document to memories.